and religion was suggested by some active members of our Samajam. Finance was the main problem. Anyway, in 1972, we established BKS English School, only KG classes, in the 2 room of the Samajam office with a single teacher and a few students. I was the president, Sri Bhaskaran Nambiar was the secretary, and the late Sri Sangaran Nambaripad was the treasurer. In 1973, we started the first standard, then Srimati Sali Sakaya was appointed of our PG section, and Srimati Rohini Nambiar was appointed to teach first standard. Next year, in 1973, we appointed Srimati Rajaman Nambiar as the headmistress of this school. In 1973, Srimati Raji Sundaram was appointed as the teacher for the 4th standard. And we shifted Basak to the new building of BKS. These teachers from the start dedicated their life for the betterment of the school with the limited facilities, infrastructure and salary. They continued their service till their retirement. I express my sincere thanks to these teachers. With the joint efforts of our teachers, students, parents and management in 1988, our first batch of SSC passed out with a flying color. Now, many batches of the high percentage passed out from the BKS. Let me tell you that our students are very strong field in various professions in India and abroad, and they are doing very well. Actually, we, the management, were thinking to arrange such reunion for the so many years. Now the dream has come true. It is great pleasure to me that in 97, arrange with a reunion that will take you to your childhood and school days. You should be a motivation to our present students. Good luck and good wishes to all. I thank you, the organizers of this function, especially the principal, Mrs. Ramani Vijayan, for arranging and organizing such a lovely remarkable function. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
We are very lucky to have you with us, sir. Kindly maintain silence when the dignitaries on the stage are speaking. Now, we would request Shri P.V.K. Nambiar, the ex-president of Basing Kerala Samajam, to speak few words with us.
Dear friends, I'm happy that BKS has organized this ex-alumni meet at this wonderful evening, and a lot of, I think more than 500 students, ex-students are present here. It's a great event as far as BKS is concerned. BKS in Vasai is an institution which is upholding the education of the youths in a wonderful way, and people around Manipur and surroundings are part of this education institution, and I should be appreciating the well-being of the students, ex-students of this great institution, as also the students who are studying here now also. I express my sincere gratitude to one and all for presenting here in huge numbers, and this should continue the years to come, so that your efforts or your knowledge is imparted to the existing students as also teachers in a better way, so that we can improve our education field, and so it will be a great support to the institution as a whole. I express once again my sincere gratitude for this function, as also the people present here, and expect the continued support to this institution. And thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
There's a special announcement. All the friends, those who are standing there, kindly please come forward and take a seat. Please come forward. All those student members who are standing behind, kindly come ahead. There are many chairs vacant here.
We
Thank
would
you.
like to invite the brain behind this event, Shri Rajesh Iyer, a member of Basim Kerala Samajam and coordinator of today's reunion, to share few words with us. Please come, sir.
My dear friends, guests, and all the prominent personalities on the dais, I am privileged to address all of you with some words, some thoughts. I am very glad that being the coordinator of this function, the mega event, BKS Grand Alumni 2014 here, I would like to say that the positive energy in the school and the surroundings has been reached its heights because of your positive approach and the presence. Within a short span of time, I was coordinating with you through Facebook, WhatsApp and all the social medias. I have been convinced that you people are such a wonderful guys. I can approach you anytime for these events. You people are wonderful guys with such good qualities and approachability. And you people are very lucky today that you have met your old teachers who have taught the basics, the basic qualities, advices which have taken you to the current moment's position. And you have got a golden opportunity to interact with them again today. And they are the teachers who have shaped you, sharpened you, structured you to face all the challenges and overcome all the hindrances in life. So it is your turn now to reward them. And the school management is planning so many things which will take this school to a university level. So for that we will continuously in touch with you, and we are expecting the same level of cooperation and support from you. Thank you very much. And one more thing, after this event we are going to create an association of BKS alumni. So, and for that we have created a group in Facebook called BKS Alumni Forum. There are so many, 500 plus members are there as of now, and we want to take that figure into thousands. So please cooperate. If you have been joined on that group, please do it today itself, and we will celebrate these type of functions year after year with more gracefully, and I expect all the support from you. Best wishes for all of your future endeavors. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Thank you, sir. We are sure that we'll cross the figure above 1,000. Friends, are you all with me? Okay. So we are hoping to have reunions every year so that we don't miss our teachers a lot, so that every year we can meet them once. Like how Christmas, Diwali comes once a year, we can have this lovely day. Okay. Maya, what is the first thing that comes to your mind when you think of school?
Of course, our teachers.
Oh, some sweet,
Some strict,
some who taught us to count.
some that taught us new language.
It is said that teaching is a noble profession, but there is also a lot of sincerity and dedication required, not to forget the inimitable amount of hard work.
Right. The mediocre teacher tells.
The good teacher explains,
The superior teacher demonstrates.
and the great teacher inspires.
Teachers, you have played such an important role in our lives.
That teachers, we felt that we shall meet and honor you all. Now, let us begin with the felicitation program. Before we begin with the felicitation program, there's a lot of crowd behind. Kindly come forward. There are many seats vacant here. Please come and sit down. Okay, let's begin with the felicitation. To do the honors, I would request Shri K.O. Devasi to please come forward and do the honors of felicitating our dear teachers.
Firstly, we invite the teacher who taught us English and who has been with our school ever since its inception way back in 1974. She has always treated her students with love and care, and she is none other than our
Rohini teacher.
We would request Rohini teacher to come forward and accept our token of love.
Come here to interact with past students, teachers and management who are connected with our school. I had no occasion to communicate with you all these years. This is a good time today. I sincerely wish that all assembled here will enjoy and be able to benefit from our meeting today. Our school has seen very good growth since it started way back in 1972, and we all should be very proud of what we achieved today. Our school was like your second mother. It has given you a lot, and you must thank our school for taking you forward in life. My good wishes to all of you. May God Almighty bless you all.
Thank you, teacher. We definitely believe that school is a second mother when we have so many motherly figures here. Thank you, teacher. We also like to mention that Shri P.M.B. Nambiar, husband of Srimati Rohini Nambiar, our Rohini teacher's husband, he had called us and given his best wishes and compliments. So a round of applause for Sir Nambiar. Thank you. Now we would like to call a teacher who has come all the way from Kerala just for this occasion. This shows that dedication doesn't stop at retirement. A primary teacher by profession, post-retirement has also ensured that all the students from Kerala get the same education that we BKSites got. And so for this, I request our dear Kamala teacher to please come on the stage, and I request Shri K.O. Devasi to do the honors. for him. I'll hold it for you, teacher. Teacher doesn't miss Kerala. See, her attire is right like she has come directly from Kerala.
Respected President and my colleagues and my students, a very good evening to all of you. It gives me a joy and happiness when I stand to face you all. This time, I am not to teach you, but to feel your love and affection. I should rather stay humble and say that I didn't make you good students, rather you made me a good teacher. When I flash back those days, hard was those times. You were very different in characters. Some were very naughty, some were very shy, some very stubborn and so. I did my maximum to nurture you, shape you to be a good person. I am retired, but still I am teaching. Before I conclude my words, I would like to thank Mrs. Ramani Vijayan and BKS committee for organizing this alumni meet. My heartfelt thanks to all my students. Wish you good success in future life. May God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher. Thank you very much. Moving on, I would request Ramani Madam to do the further honors.
I would like to call teacher who taught us words, to converse, to recite poems, to learn general knowledge right in our senior KG class. This teacher is our Chandrika teacher. We would request her to please come on the dais and accept our token of appreciation.
Okay, thank you. Okay, now I would like to invite a teacher who was strict as well as sweet at the same time. She joined our institution in 1988 and was teaching us science. She has taught science for 23 years. And this teacher is none other than our Mary Matthew teacher.
Good evening, everybody. First of all, I am very happy to see that so many of my students are here. After a long time, I'm meeting them, seeing their faces, their love, concern, everything. I'm very happy. They are in good fields, and the management and the teaching staff. Ramani Vijayan, the principal of our school, had done a great work for organizing this. Even though we were trying for it for a long time, we couldn't do it, but at last they succeeded. congratulating each and everyone who worked for this and pray that it will continue till the end. And it will be a great help for the betterment of the school. All the best for my all students and my friends and colleagues. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher. Now, I would like to call my kindergarten class teacher. She joined the school in 1984. She is strict, disciplinarian, yet very loving in her own little way. She always managed to put up a smile and be pleasant even though the tiny thoughts irritated her. Now, I call upon all your teacher to please come forward and accept our token of never-ending love.
I request Ramani Madam to please do the honors.
Please speak few words.
Good evening to each and everyone. Looking at all my kids, I'm so happy that I cannot speak a word now. That my kids have become so big. I really love you all. And I'm very thankful to the organizing committee and special thanks to Ramani teacher because we have met our colleagues, our students, and we relive our memories. So I hope in future it will be done, and I love you children, and God bless you and God wishes. Thank you.
Thank you, all teacher. Thank you, Ramani madam. Now we would like call upon Mithilesh madam to do the honors. It is said that in this fast life, stop and smell the roses. We are very lucky to have a teacher who ensured that we did this. We too had a teacher who loved roses as well as children. I'm talking about teacher who started teaching in this institution since 1983 and taught for 31 fruitful years. I call upon Devyani teacher to please come on the dais and accept our token of love.
We could say a rosy teacher.
Teacher, please speak few words.
Good evening to everyone present here, respected committee members, principal, my dear friends, and all my loving students. Today, I am thanking each and every one of you for organizing such a warm and get-together senior reunion, for getting get-together and also making me a part of it. At this situation, I can't recognize each one of you because girls have become more beautiful and boys have become more handsome. In a way, all have become smart, big, healthy and very active too. But for you, I am the same old teacher. I am happy you all have achieved your goal and are fulfilling your ambitions too. I am praying to God to give you good health, wealth and happiness all years ahead. Thank you very much.
Thank you, teacher. Don't say you're old. With your roses there, you're still looking fresh. Okay, now let me take up with some English grammar class. Okay? Are you all ready? Okay. I want to change the voice. Rama killed Ravana. Don't tell me, Rama killed Ravana. That is not change the voice. We all remember this teacher.